In a world where performance and portability collide, finding the perfect balance can be a challenge. But fear not, because today, we're introducing you to the ultimate solution. The SGIN Laptop 15-inch. From its powerful Intel i3 processor to its lightning-fast SSD storage, this laptop is engineered to empower you to do more. Wherever you go, join us as we explore the incredible capabilities of the SGIN laptop and see how it can elevate your computing experience to new heights. At the heart of the SGIN laptop lies the powerful Intel i3 processor, capable of delivering speeds of up to 2.4 GHz. Whether you're multitasking, streaming HD content, or tackling demanding applications, this processor ensures smooth performance every time. But power is nothing without efficiency. And that's where the SGIN laptop truly shines. With 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and a spacious 512 GB SSD, you'll experience lightning-fast boot times, seamless multitasking, and ample storage for all your files and media. But the SGIN laptop isn't just about power and performance. It's also about versatility. With a range of connectivity options including Type-C, Mini HDMI, and USB 3.0 ports, you can easily connect to external displays, peripherals, and accessories, making it the perfect companion for work, play, and everything in between. Whether you're a student, professional, or creative, the SGIN laptop is designed to adapt to your lifestyle. Its sleek and portable design makes it easy to take with you wherever you go, while its powerful features ensure that you can tackle any task with ease. So, if you're ready to unleash your potential and take your computing experience to the next level, look no further than the SGIN Laptop 15-inch. Visit our website today to learn more and get yours now. SGIN, empowering you to do more.